Alright, so New Year, New You, week 3 for 2013. It's a bit of a birds of prey sort of a week, I guess, based on the moves that we're doing. This video is arms and abs, and it's kind of a flamingo style because there's going to be a lot of balancing on one leg. And please try and excuse the mess in the background. I'm still in the middle of moving right now. But we're going to start off warming up the abs and getting our shoulders going. Standing nice and straight, feet hips width apart, and we're just going to reach one arm out, twist to the side, and then switch. I'm going for 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And coming down and grabbing our weights. Feet again are about hips distance apart. You're going to raise the right arm up in the air and trying to keep your balance. You're going to go ahead and cross it over and tuck the elbow to the knee and place it back down. 9, 8, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switching sides, and make sure that you're really engaging your abdominals here, that you're not just loosely swinging your arms and legs about. So going for 10, 5, 3, last 2, and final 1. Alright, coming into the first single leg balance. Again, you can just prop your onto one toe, bring the leg in front, and come to a tree balance, whatever is working for you. And if you're not feeling it, you can all stand on a pillow to get that challenge going. But we're just going to go ahead with the standing on the left leg, bicep curl for 10. Three, 2, and 1. We're going to switch legs, bring the arms out to the side. Eight, 9, and 10, and coming back down and switching the legs, bring the arms out in front, open them up, place them down, back in front, and then 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, we're going to go ahead and switch legs. 6, 8, 9, really feeling it, biceps burning here, and last round, up to the side, and then coming back to middle, and all the way back down. Alright, so give the biceps a little bit of rest, bring the palms overhead, and stepping on the left leg, and 10. Keep standing nice and tall. 2, and 1, switching sides, 10 here. And if you want to challenge it, separate the arms. 2, and 1, place feet down if you want, and pulsing for 20. 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, and bringing it all the way back up. Whew, giving a short little rest. What we're going to do here is hinge at the hips, keep nice straight legs, keep soft bent in the knees, and keep your gaze out in front of you. Not down, but out, nice straight back. And you're going to bring the arms up, and then back down. And then we're going to open out to the sides, and then down. So 2, 3, keep that tailbone out, keep the knees soft. 4, 5, going for 10, 6, 9, really feeling it in the shoulders, and 10. Whew, go ahead and rest here. And if you can't do the full 10, that's okay. I couldn't to begin with, and then when I could, it took like months to be able to get my face to stop going ooh every time. But I had like this little seize. But so you just play with wherever you are. Everything's golden. So we're gonna take a moment, take a nice deep step with the legs here. Turn the right toes out. Left toes are forward, about 45-degree angle. Nice triangle, all familiar with that. And placing one weight down. Take your right palm out, the left arm up, and keeping your wrist above the shoulder the whole time. So we're not swaying or flying or anything like that. Just going to do a nice trace for 1. 6, 7, 8, 9, keep going, shoulders can do it, and 10, switching the weight, positioning the feet on the other side, right arm is up, left palm is out, and tracing down as far as what's comfortable for 1. 4, 7, 8, feeling it in the abs, 2, 9, soft knees, and 10. Go ahead and place these down. Whew, done with the weights. Alright, so we're going to come back to side crunches here, balancing, and we're going to do 20 this time on each side. Instead of crossing over, we're doing the same side and reaching for 1. 5. And again, try and engage the abs by not bringing the foot down if you can. Soft knee, halfway. 17, 18, 19, and 20. Go ahead and switch over the other side from here. Again, don't let your limbs fly about. Try and really engage side body. Really get that crunch going. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. We're going to come to the back of our mats and slowly walk down. And we're going to try this from a plank. Try not to soften into a down dog because we're only doing a few of them. So try and challenge yourself in the plank. We're going to take the right leg up, bring it over to the right elbow, and then back. And then once, only once to the left elbow, and then back. And then to the right elbow, and then trace it down to your wrist and back to the elbow. 2, 3, 4, last one, 5, leg back in the air, down dog splits, and from here, reaching out, fallen triangle, short stretch. Oh, this one feels so good. Okay, coming back to the plank, challenging yourself here, left leg this time to the elbow, and back. Right side, and back. So 5 times, elbow to wrist. 2, 3, 4, shaking, 5, woo, back in the air, and then fallen triangle. Feeling nice and warm, feeling good, and come back, downward dog, stretch it out for a minute, and short child's pose here. Oh, stretch it out. Then only taking a little teeny tiny break, coming back up, across the ankles, and moving down to your seat. And coming into a nice yogic sit-up along with a double leg lift. Whew. And now, same here. Okay, so we're going to use the core. Coming down. Going all the way down. Reach back. Take a nice breath here. Inhale, nice and deep. And as you exhale, lift up. And then coming back down. And then use the core, draw those legs up. And back down. And repeat to come up. This is round 2. And we're going for 10 reps. Legs up. And down. Inhale and exhale to reach. And back down. And going for 3. Whew. This is our 5th one, and I know you're feeling it. This one gets a lot of different muscles going at the same time. Go as slow as you need to. Keep that stability in your body. Whew. 8, just 2 more after this. It's almost over. The hard part is over. Once you got this far, you can do it. There's nothing holding you back. Whew. And the last one. Whew. And you're done with that. But we have one more move. Just 15 reverse crunches. So palms under your hips. Cross those ankles. And then reach up and back down. 2. Nice and slow. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Like you're just tapping the ceiling. 8. 9. 10. Final 5. And 4. 3. 2. And 1. Hold it there and slowly bring it down. Oh, hug those knees in. Doing great. Alright. Feeling nice and good, feeling warm. Go ahead and grab that water, take a breath, and then go back to your stretching. Have a very nice day. Happy New Year. Namaste.